The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora represents the pinnacle of Corvette engineering and performance. Named after Zora Arkus Duntov, the father of the Corvette, this model pushes the boundaries of speed and innovation with hybrid technology and cutting-edge aerodynamics. As Chevrolet's first hybrid-assisted Corvette, the Zora blends electric performance with a powerful V8, creating a hypercar experience. Exterior: the Zora's exterior is a stunning blend of form and function. It features aggressive aerodynamic lines, an extended front splitter, and a large active rear wing for downforce. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction enhances performance, while giving the car an exotic supercar aesthetic. New LED lighting systems and bold color options emphasize its futuristic design, while larger air intakes optimize cooling for the hybrid components. Performance: the Corvette Zora's performance is unmatched in the Corvette lineup. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged 5.5 liters V8 engine paired with an electric motor, the Zora delivers a combined output of over 1,000 horsepower. Power is distributed through an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction. The car boasts a sub-2.5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time and a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. Active suspension and a race-tuned chassis provide. Interior: the Zora's cabin is designed for luxury and technology. Premium materials, including Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather, adorn the interior. A reimagined driver-centric cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, augmented reality heads-up display, and an updated infotainment system with hybrid-specific information. Lightweight sport seats and customizable ambient lighting enhance comfort and style. Price: the starting price of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora is expected to be around $200,000, placing it in the hypercar segment while offering exceptional value compared to rivals. Safety remains a priority with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. The hybrid system's regenerative braking improves stopping power, while the reinforced chassis and advanced airbag system ensure occupant protection. Overall evaluation: the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora is a landmark in automotive innovation, combining breathtaking performance with hybrid efficiency and luxury. It caters to enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge technology and unparalleled driving excitement, making it a standout in the hypercar arena.